अच्छा लगा. You want to ask anything? No.
You may ask. How can get I success in my...
Generally, these two are like not so much as till now they are not very interested in God. Where is God? What is God? They will these two.
Let's see, I am not...
I will ask him not to eat non-veg. He will say, Ram Bhagwan has eaten non-veg. They will try to argue.
See, I am just explaining you, both of you. Same question, when I was in Singapore, after my speech, three students, two from Tamil Nadu, one from Madhya Pradesh, came to my room and they asked me the same question. Swamiji, during your discourse you told everyone should go through the satsang and meditation for a peaceful life, a happy life. But we are not agree. Why you are not agree? So what they told me? They told me, this is your way of getting happiness. Satsang and meditation or devotion of God is your way of getting happiness. But my way of getting happiness is have meat, fish and drink, dance with friends. So don't impose your way of happiness on me.
Don't force.
He told me the same thing. Don't force. Impose means what? Force. You don't impose your way of happiness, getting happiness to us. So let me enjoy the way I feel like. The way, just listen me, both of you. The way you feel like. So, what I replied him, let's see, whatever you told me, you just have to be on your view. Let the people enjoy, get happiness as they want. Well, yes. Have you heard the name of Changiz Khan? Have you heard the name of Changiz Khan? Told me yes or no? Yes. Have you heard? He was a very cruel ruler from Mongolia, the north of China. Wherever he invaded, slaved thousands of people. Brought him, carried him, and what was his way of getting happiness, do you know? Every day at morning time, you just go, when you will be in higher education, you will study this. What was his way of getting happiness? Every day one person, he slits. मुर्गा देखा? उसके बाद क्या करता है वो? Halal. Just cut the jugular vein and then see his position, how he is fluttering. So he just cut the jugular vein of a man, and when he started, and there is a blood shedding. He see, and then he exclaimed, "Now I am cool." This was his way of getting happiness. So, my dear, can you say the way of getting happiness of Changiz Khan was right? Yeah? No. The same they three replied to me, no. How you have get the meat without slitting chicken, goat, when you take out a fish from water, how she feeling unrest. So you are also a follower of whom? whom follower? Genghis Khan.
Khan.
Genghis Khan. So how can you say having meat, fish and drinking, dancing is my way of happiness, so let me enjoy in my way and do whatever you feel like? No. Then he replied me, no, get happiness but without harming others. Bola, harming others? Yes, without harming others. Don't harm. मुर्गा बकरे को बकस दो भाई, आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा. तो दे रियलाइज्ड कि यस, हमारा जो सुख पाने का तरीका है ना, वो दूसरे के लिए दुख का कारण नहीं होना चाहिए. समझ गए? Did you get? Then he told me, then what's wrong with drinking, because there is no harming others, no killing of animals. Animal killing is also related to pollution. See, so what is wrong with drinking? We are not killing animals, not harming others. मैंने कहा yes. But do you know why all the Vedas, all the great epics prohibited not to drink? Why? Because it does not harm others, it harms us. A drunker, a drink harms the drinker. Damaged your kidney, liver, your brain. Once you start drinking, 1 pack, 2 pack, and then bottle. And lastly, now the wine will drink, start to drink you. Your health, your peace of your family. So, drinking is a suicidal act. मांस मछली खाना जीव हत्या है, और शराब पीना, नशा करना आत्महत्या है. स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, है ना? ड्रिंकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. स्टिचुअरी लिखा होता है ना. तो हाउ कैन यू से दिस इज गुड फॉर अस? सो रियली जेंटलमैन, समझदार आदमी, never try to touch these things. So I am not going to say anything about the God, but I am telling about your eating and drinking habit should be according to the Mahapurush saints. And God is there here. He exists. Once you go through the meditation, your heart, as your heart getting pure, you will realize His power, and lastly you will realize His existence too. So just do. जही मार्ग साध लखावे तही मग चलत सबे सुख पावे. जिस रास्ते पर चलकर संत महात्मा या संत ग्रंथ बताएं, उस पर चलो, आपको सुख होगा, शांति मिलेगी. दूसरे को दुख देकर कोई सुखी नहीं हुआ. हम मांस खाएंगे तो दूसरे को दुख देंगे। मनु महाराज ने लिखा 8 तरह के घातक। जो मांस खाने वाला है ना, ही इज ए प्राइम एक्यूज्ड। आप अगर नहीं खाओगे ना तो कोई मारेगा, मारने वाला, उसके टुकड़े करने वाला, पीसेस, उसको बेचने वाला, खरीदने वाला, सेलर, बायर, कुक, सर्वर, ये सब के सब पार्ट ऑफ दैट सीन है। जिस सीन का रूट काउज कौन है, समझ गए? खाने वाला। तो ये ना खाए तो इतना सारे लोग पाप में न पड़े, किसी को हार्म का दुख न ले। इसीलिए देयर इज नो आर्ग्यूमेंट। हम मनुष्य हैं, हमारे अंदर मानवीय गुण होना चाहिए, हम किसी को दुख न दें अपने स्वार्थ के लिए, निज हित के लिए, अपने जिह्वा के स्वाद के लिए। ठीक है? थिंक ओवर इट। थैंक यू।